enjoy the time. Is it okay, whatever I teach you?
Yes, yes. That's the best.
Even if we don't need many people, even 3-4 people is enough. If they are interested, we can have. Okay. So, Thursday, Tuesday and Thursday is Sunday. That's what planned actually. Some people asked, we started, but anyway, they are not coming.
Sunday, I am always welcome.
Yeah.
Actually, more than Sunday, I find splitting difficult, especially the...
Only when you know Sunday, then only you can split up. Joining, then you don't know. It's applicable everywhere. Only when you know joining, then only you know the split. Okay. Om Kartunda Mahakaya Surya Nirvightam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Mrutame Sada Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhavatu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vikrishavarai Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
I've kept my homework on your table.
Yeah, that's the letter. This sentence, boatmen enter the ocean through the river. Suppose if I say, boatmen enter the ocean by the boat through the river. Into the translation.
By the boat, through the river. Through the river remains the same. By the boat. By boat. By the boat. That's the only thing we have to add. What happened?
Not like that. You have to look at the sentence as a whole, not bit by bit. So homework, try.
Okay.
Right?
Nauka is a female or boat?
Boat is female. That is why a boat transforms to Hagalya. Not any man, okay. Not any Rakshasa. Only
Naukaya?
Huh?
Naukaya?
Naukaya.
Yeah, Naukaya.
Okay, then.
Tritya vibhakti. By the
Navikaha,
boat.
Naukaya, Samudram, Nadya, Pravishati. What is Nadya?
Nadya is Tritya vibhakti.
What is Naukaya?
Tritya vibhakti.
That is also Tritya? This is also Tritya.
Yeah.
How is that? What Karaka then?
Oh, then it should be in the river.
You tell me what is it, yes.
By the boat in the river. Then it should go in Saptami.
Good.
Yeah?
Tell me the sentence now.
Navikaha.
Navikaha. Okay, Navikaha, good. Navikaha, boatmen.
Samudram. Nayakaya.
Not Nayakaya, Naukaya.
Naukaya, sorry, Naukaya. Nadyam pravishanti.
Good. Nadyam Samudram Pravishanti.
Okay.
Saptami. So Nadya becomes Nadyam Saptami.
Yeah, Saptami, Nadyam.
With the boat, enter into the river. You have to say like that only. Through the ocean. So through the river into the ocean. Right? No. Nadyam Pravishanti. Not Nadyam Pravishanti. Sorry. Samudreshu Pravishanti. Samudram Pravishanti. Navikaha Samudram Pravishanti. How? Through the river.
No, but by boat. You said by boat.
Yeah. Navikaha Naukaya Samudram Pravishanti. Now through the river, what are you going to say?
Nadia?
You can say Nadyam. Nadyam Samudram. Nadyam Samudram Nadyam Samudram Pravishanti. Or you have to change the sentence. Navikaha Naukaya Saha, along with the boat, Naukaya Saha Nadya Samudram Pravishanti. I am making boat as a Tritiya Vibhakti, but one is Upapada, other one is Karaka. That possibility is there. Okay, that is one. Another one, they enter Samudreshu Pravishanti. Nadyam. Saptami will not come. Okay, can't make it Saptami. So you can say Navikaha Naukaya Saha Nadya Samudram Pravishanti. Both are Tritiya, but one is Saha Tritiya. With the boat, he enters. So other one is Tritiya, Karana Tritiya.
Can it be also from the river? Panchamis, Nadyaha. From the river to the ocean.
You can say your Vivaksha, why not?
It can be said.
Nadyaha, yes, Nadyaha. See, even you can say Samudreshu Pravishanti also you can say. Navikaha Samudreshu. That's your, they enter into the ocean. They enter into the ocean. Katam? Nadyam, not Nadyam, Nadya Samudreshu Pravishanti. Navikaya, Naukaya Saha, with the boat. I am making the Samudram as Saptami. Okay. See, that is depends on your Vivaksha. It's not that you can use any Karaka you like. It should fit in. Right?
But
Anyway.
that means same Karaka, same Vibhukti can't be used in more than once.
If you use, you have to explain what Vibhakti is there. One Karana is there, how many Karana will be there?
Okay, okay.
Suppose I am eating with the hand as well as with the spoon. Agamastena, chamasena, cha, you can say Kadani. Two are the means. But here, two different things. Both are not Karana. So which is Karana we have to find out. That depends. You can say anything as a Karana. You want to say Nadya as a Karana? Fine. Nadya Pravishanti. And Nauka becomes Sahatritiya. Along with the boat. So boatman with their boats enter into the ocean through the river. Samudreshu Pravishanti. Samudram Pravishanti. Nadyam. Navikaha. Naukabhihi. Saha. Anyway.
Samudram is second case, but Samudreshu is seventh case. Why it is plural? Samudreshu?
You can say Samudre Pravishanti also. Enter into the oceans instead. Samudre Pravishanti you can say. Okay. Sandhi, what is it we are saying this Sandhi? Yeah, Visarga. But we saw in the quick summary, Padanta Sakara becomes Repa. Repa becomes Visarga. Right? And Padanta Repa becomes Visarga. That is one possibility. Otherwise, Repa which is not at the end of a Pada but followed by a Kar letter, then also it becomes Visarga. Remember? So, Repa at the end of a Padam will become Visarga. Repa when followed by a Kar. It means Repa is not a Padanta Repa. Any Repa. When it is followed by a Kar letter, then it becomes Visarga. Now Visarga is born. Now taking the condition. Visarga followed by what? Preceded by what? That is the condition. Right? So Visarga is born. Visarga Jananam you know now, right? Now Visarga is there. Preceded by what? And followed by what? That's what we are going to see. It could be followed by, let us say, Al. Al is, what is Al? Why Ash? Hach. Hach plus, Hash plus, Kar. These two becomes Ash. Anyway, right? So you as kar. Or kal also. Both I can say no problem, right? That's why I'm making it kar. Because ha is already included in the hash. Preceded by what? That we have to see. Preceded by what are the possibility? It could be preceded by either a or a. Without this also, that we are going to see. But this we have seen. Among this, visarga followed by kar. What happens? What happened we saw. Visarga will be replaced by sakara. Right? We saw that. How many kar letters are there?
13.
Huh?
13.
30. Remember, I took kappa chatata chatato kapai shashasar. Because first, second letter of all the classes, shashasar, 3 sibilants. How many?
13.
13. All the 13 we have seen. What happens to the visarga when followed by a kar letter? What are those 30 letters? Quickly. Kha, kha, then cha, cha, okay. I'm writing the same order. Ta, tha, ta, tha, pa, pa, then sha, sha, sa. These are kar letters. When followed by this, visarga will remain as it is, or it will become ardha visarga, that is called yuga moliya. When followed by pa or pa, visarga will remain as it is, or it will become ardha visarga. When followed by cha or cha, visarga will become sakara is a replacement. That is the general rule. Visarga will be replaced by sakara when followed by a kar. So sakara will come, and sakara is dental, chakara is dental, talu, right? So dental talu coming together. So this sa will be replaced by the corresponding Vaishya. Huh? Palatal is important. Why cha? Why not other letters? Sa is sibilant, right? What sibilant? Hard sibilant. Katora Vyanjanani. Sha, sha, sa. Only 3 letters are hard sibilant. You have got only 3 choice. Only one you can marry. You don't have any other choice. You cannot say ha. No, that is not a hard sibilant. Sha, sha, sa. Cha is palatal. Sha is palatal. And sha is murdanya, cerebral. Sa is already it is the dental. And sakara always weaker. So which one you will select? The following letter as uchchana sanam, talu. So talu is the best option. Therefore, it becomes sakara, sakara becomes shakara. If you remember this logic, something will be easy. Logic is there. So logically you can remember. You have to, first you should group the letters based on the similar properties. That's what Nageshwara Sutrani has done that already. Sha, sa, sar, hal. Sha, sa is hard sibilant. So sakara to be replaced means you can replace only by the hard sibilant. There is no other choice. Right? Sakara being a sibilant should be replaced by a sibilant. And being a hard sibilant should be replaced by a hard sibilant. Ha is soft, ruled out. Similarly, when visarga followed by ta or tha, rule is sakara. Again the same condition here. Sakara is danta, dental, and ta is murdanya, cerebral. So sha, sa, among the 3, which is the best? Murdanya shakara. So sakara will become shakara. And next one, this is ta, tha, also kar letter. Visarga becomes sakara. After that what happens? Why? Sakara is dental. Following letter also dental. So sakara is there is no other dental than the sakara among the sibilants. So it will remain as it is. Right? Now when it is followed by these sibilants, sakara will be replaced by respective letters, sibilants. If shakara follows, sakara will become shakara. If Shakara follows, Sakara becomes Shakara. If Sakara is there, remains as it is. This is Kar. Quick summary we have done. Clear? Now, when followed by Ash, we are saying Visarga followed by Ash. That also we saw in the last class. Some 3 or 4 possibilities, right? Remember? No? Look, it's good. Every time you are fresh, so I can also teach you. Right? But not all the time. Next year you should not be fresh. Anyway, quickly we will see what we saw. Visarga followed by Kar part is over. Now H and Hush you have to see. When you take, this is can be written as Ash, right? So Visarga followed by Ash. When you say followed by Ash, then we have to see what precedes also. The preceding letter also important. Okay. So what is the first possibility? Number 1. Visarga preceded by A and followed by C. If this is Ash, right? This is Ash. Here A is there. A is there. Both are there together. And Hush also is there. H is there. So all possibilities we are going to see. A is there, part of Hush. Hush is a subset of Hush. Hush also. So when any of this follows, precedes, then what's going to happen? That combination we are going to see. Right? So now Visarga is there. Followed by this part I am taking. Right? Preceded by A and followed by A. So this is a Stani. What will happen to Visarga? Visarga will become not O, U. Visarga will become U, followed by A. Visarga is, this is one padam, padanta, and the next padam begins with A. I hope you understand that, right? I'm writing like that, but you have to understand it like that. Visarga when followed by the next padam, uttara padam, which begins with A. Visarga preceded by, that is the pura padam, which has Visarga preceded by the vowel A. Then what happens? A will be replaced by U. A plus U will become O. Therefore, O and A. After that what happens? O is Padanta O. Padanta A followed by A. What will happen? Remember the rule. Purva Rupa. Both Purva and Para will be replaced by O. Therefore, you will see something like this. Right? See, for example, Ramaha plus Api. Ramaha plus Api. What will happen?
Ramopi.
Shall I erase this? See, all these rules, if you learn individually, it's all scattered. Very, very difficult to remember and see the connection. You have to remember everything together. Have a, the aerial view of what it is. Then you can logically approach this only. This condition is there, apply this. Then goes on that. This condition is there, apply this. All roots are scattered somewhere. And how do you apply? What is the sequence? What's the logic? Understand the logic. That's the main thing, mainly they miss and get confused. I should thank my teacher. It is he taught, and after that I worked on it. So certain things are my contribution, okay? Just seeing the link, connecting and arranging the order in my way so that you can remember it sequentially, that I did. I didn't work. I'm teaching, I'm learning. It's in my it's in my memory now. But I also learned when I learned that time. I didn't teach anyone so far. Only one set of students I taught online. This is yet to be taught. Okay. But the sequence is that will never go. You understand the concept, sequence. Now Visarga is Ramaha plus Api.
Ramopi.
Yeah, Visarga preceded by A, followed by A. Therefore, okay, before this, let us see how the word Ramaha itself has come. Rama it is Ramas, right? Rama plus the Sut Pratyaya. Then only becomes a Padam. Pratipadikam Rama becomes Padam by adding the Pratyaya Sup. The Sup is nothing but Sakara. Now Padanta Sakara becomes Repa. Then Padanta Repa becomes Rama. Now from Sakara to Repa, Repa to Visarga. Now Visarga is the same Visarga is here. What will happen to Visarga? Condition is preceded by A, followed by Api. So that Visarga will be replaced by U. So A plus U, this condition is fulfilled. You have to see Visarga, what precedes, what follows. A plus U will become Ramo. Ramo, Api. After this, it comes under Swarasanti. O is a Padanta Eng. O plus A. Padanta Eng, that condition you must remember, not any Eng. If it is a Padanta Eng, can we apply Echaha Ayava? That condition is fulfilled. O is part of H or not? H. Yes?
Yes.
Followed by R. So therefore H can be replaced by A, O can be replaced by how? If you apply, you get Rama Vapi. If you apply Echaha Ayava, you get this, but you cannot apply, should not apply. If Echaha Ayava is also applicable, if Padanta, if this rule is applicable, Echaha Ayava will be overruled by this rule. This overrules that rule, right? You have to understand now the Utsarga Apavada. Apavada always takes precedence.
Echaha, what are you talking about?
Very good. When H letter is followed by H letter.
So Echaha, okay.
Yes. This is what Echaha, Ayavayavaha, when I say this is Ayadi Sandhi. H letter followed by H, the A will be replaced by I, Av. Here it is applicable, but it happens to be Padanta Eng. Therefore, Padanta Eng, which is the Apavada to this rule, will overrule. Therefore, O plus A, Purva is O, Para is A, both will be replaced by this. Therefore, you get Ramopi. Avagara is your choice. If it is like this, you should know how to split. You cannot say it is Rama Api. If you say Rama plus Api, Rama plus Api, Ramopi, how can it be? Can it be Rama plus Api is Ramopi? It must be Ramaha. If you say, okay, no, why can't Rama is a Pratipadika? No, it can be Sambodhana also. Sambodhana also it is possible. Hey Rama, right? Sambodhana. If it is Rama, then it becomes Ramapi, not Ramopi. Right? Therefore, if you argue Rama could be Sambodhana 8-1, yes, if it is Sambodhana, if you join, it becomes Ramapi, not Ramopi. Therefore, it can't be Rama, it must be Rama. This is called splitting now. Splitting the Sandhi. Okay. O is Visarga must come. Visarga must have gone one change. Right? So this also we saw in the last class. Nothing new. Then the next one. Visarga is A precedes and followed by Hush. So this is done. This is also going to be done. The same. right? Here, this is what precedes, succeeds, and preceding could be either a or a preceding letter. This is what we are going to see. And this is the here. Understand? Preceded by a or a, followed by any of this. What are the possibilities? So in this, preceded by a, followed by a is over. Preceded by a, followed by ash, we are going to see. Already we have seen. Here also what will happen? Visarga will be replaced by. You understand this, right? This is what precedes. This is what succeeds. Preceded only a, only that much. Other things you don't have to bother. Why? It will remain as it is. Nothing will happen. We have to discuss only when change happens. When nothing happens, what Sandhi? Sandhi itself doesn't happen. Right? Like, say for example,
Phalam masti.
not Pranamasti. Okay. We're talking about Visarga.
Oh, okay.
Ramaihi api. Tell me Sandhi. Ramaihi api.
No.
By Ramas also. Chatraihi api. By Chatras also. Visarga is preceded by? Huh? Preceded by?
By
I. Followed by? Is there any possible here? This discussion is this combination is there? Preceded by I. Preceded by or only discussed. Other things not discussed. Then what will happen? Nothing happens. Ramaihi api will become Ramaihi api only. If you want to join here, what was there in the place of Visarga? What was there in the place of Visarga? Repa was there. It must be Ramair, right? Ramair plus api. So it become Ramair api. That's all. Nothing happens. Just joining. Right? If you want to join, go one step back. What was there in the place of Visarga? Repa. Ramair api. Clear? Yes? No?
Go forward like a Reva.
If you want to join,
Before is Sakara. No.
before the Pratipadikam is there, you go all the way to the Stone Age. We cannot go like that. See?
Only one step.
No, it's not like, see, here Ramair is there. Ramair is there. Now before you apply,
Rama.
Padantarepa becomes Visarga. Before applying that, you want to join. Yes, you can join Ramair api. If you apply Visarga, then Ramaihi api. That's all.
It is the same.
Same. I will give another example. Don't say the meaning. Meaning will not be there. So say Ramaihi kriyate. Okay, not kriyate, that is not the right one. Then take giyate. Okay. What will happen? This is separate words. Ramaihi giyate. Visarga preceded by I. That is not there. So,
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. Ramaiti is not there in there at all.
so it was Ramair before. Ramair giyate. Ramair giyate. That's all.
no meaning.
No meaning. Meaning is, why not meaning is there?
Ramahi is what?
By Ramas.
Yeah.
Ramegi giyate. Karmani prayoga. Anyway, but not required. Ramegi giyate. Meaningful. It's not that meaningless. Ramena kriyate. It is done by Rama. Ramegi kriyate.
Many Ramas.
Sing by Rama. What? You can say Geetam. Geetam Ramegi kriyate. Chatrayegi kriyate. Giyate. Song sung by the students. Chatrayegi giyate. Geetam. Ramegi giyate. Geetam. A song is there sung by many Ramas. Sentence is meaningful. It is a sentence.
This is passive voice.
But passive voice.
Because
Because I am not
it is
mentioning the karma. Anyway, don't worry about it, okay? This is Bhave Prayoga. Meaning, I am talking sentence is meaningful. We don't bother about that, okay? We say, Ramir Giyate, Repa is here. If such sentences are there, you should know what to spread. Rami is there. Then look for the Repa. Because Shabda, you know, Rama, Ramo, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramo, Ramanan, Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramaihi. So Ramai is there. So Visarga must be there. Where is Visarga? Visarga in the form of Repa, it is here. Because it is followed by another word, you are joining it. Therefore Ramir Giyate. If you don't want to join, write separately. Ramegi Giyate. It's okay. Clear? One example with followed by vowel. Other example followed by the consonant. If it is followed by a vowel, Melanam. Repa plus A becomes Ra. When it is followed by a consonant, Melanam doesn't happen. It's a conjunct consonant. Ramir Giyate. Repa plus Gakara plus E. Remember? It's a conjunct. Followed by the next padam beginning with the consonant. So those possibilities are not there. Depends, nothing happens as it is. So we need to know only this. Right? Now coming back to here. Visarga preceded by is it recorded class?
Yes.
Okay. Preceded by followed by Harsh. What happens? Visarga is replaced by U, followed by the Harsh. The same thing happens. A plus U will become O. And the next padam begins with Harsh. Can we apply Padanta Yang rule? Why? Because the padam doesn't, next padam, following padam doesn't begin with A. So you have to stop here. Ramaha gacchati. Sandhi. What is the answer? Ramo gacchati. Ramaha gacchati becomes Ramo gacchati. Ramaha khadati. Ramo khadati? Why? Ramaha khadati. Becomes Rama khadati or Ramaha khadati. It's a kar. So kar means you have to go the previous class. Right? Okay. Then. So now if it is followed by a consonant, you know what to do. So this is also over. So A, Harsh is over. Then the next one. Next one we saw. Followed by Ach, right? Followed by Ach. Yes. Because if it is, depends on what is going to precede. The preceding letter here is A. This is A, Hash, Ach. If I write Visarga preceded by A, followed by Ach, here Ach includes A also. That already covered. Therefore, you have to say except. I am writing here minus A, mathematical equation. Ach minus A. If it is A, what will happen? Number 4 will apply. Yes? Visarga preceded by A, followed by A. So Visarga preceded by A, followed by Ach, other than A. What A? Short A. That's important. That's why I wrote A. Don't think it's a Mageshwar Sutra, so you can include A also. No. A is there. A possibility is here. Visarga preceded by a, followed by a also is there. So therefore, this is what we are going to see. Visarga preceded by a, followed by a, and followed by h. Clear? So, followed by long vowel possibilities and the other letters of h is clear. So next one, what happens to this? If this happens, Visarga will be replaced by Yakara. We know how Visarga is born. Assuming that Visarga born because Padanta Sakara becomes Repa. Repa becomes Visarga. Now Visarga is going to be Yakara. So Padanta Yakara. You should see the connection. Padanta Yakara already we have seen in Swarasandhi. Padanta Yakara. There you see. If that rule applies, at the end you have to apply that rule. Right? Now let us take one example. So here is you know this Atoro Apluta Aplute Ati Sutra 61113 Hashicha 61114. This I cannot say any particular sutra. Based on my understanding of the sutra, yes, not my sutra, not Sharaniyam, Paniniyam. Based on my understanding, one sutra I am splitting into many possibilities and giving. Therefore, you cannot say what sutra is there. Right? One sutra is there. Bo Bhago Agu Apurvasya Yoshi. That, based on the Utsarga Apavada, I split into many possibilities and presenting. Okay. So starting with the first one. This is the first one. So it becomes Yakara. Let us take one example. Ramaha. Followed by Ach is there. Right? Ramaha Ichchati. Right? Ramaha Ichchati. Visarga. Preceded by A. Followed by E. So what will happen, Visarga?
Why? Yeah, Yakara.
Ramaha will become Yakara. Ramai Ichchati. After that, what happens? Yeah, what is the Lopaha for that rule? Padanta Yakara, full rule. Preceded by A or A, followed by Ash. That's what Bo Bhago Ago Apurvasya Yoshi is said. To that, Lopaha Shakalya, another sutra is connected. Lopaha Shakalyasya. See, before Panini Maharishi, I told there are many Vyakaranams were there, 9 Vyakaranams were there. And there are some names which Panini Maharishi takes in the Sutra Pata, Ashtadhyayi. Sutra Pata is Ashtadhyayi, his grammar work. There he mentions the name of some rishis, Lopaha, Shakalyasya, and Shakatayana, like that many names he mentions. It means he takes the name of the Purvacharya and says, according to them, this is the possibility. It means Pani Maharishi also accepts that. That is why he mentions in Sutra. Therefore, wherever you find the name, mentioning of the name of Purvacharya, that is optional. That is why here, Ramai Ichchati, you can just Yakara plus E, you can join. You can write like this. Ramai Ichchati, you can write. Okay. Or what can be done is, Yakara is preceded by followed by Ash with, we know the rule number 6 or 7, the 7th rule. Rule number 7 in Swarasandhi. Padanta Yakara, that is important. 6, okay. Padanta Yakara is important. Padanta Yakara or Vakara, that is what the rule says. Preceded by A or A, followed by Ash, Yakara becomes Lopaha. Lopaha Shakalyasya. Panini Maharishi says, according to Shakyamuni Muni, Yakara or Vakara disappear. Lopaha means Adarshana, not available for your perception. Perception means what? Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, all Pratyaksha Pramana. It's not available for seeing. It is not there. But when you try to join, it will pop up. Hey, I am there. You cannot do further something. Similarly, when you speak, it is not heard, but it is there. Right? Similarly, when you touch, you cannot touch the words, okay, only you can hear. So we don't have to talk about it. Only darshanam and shravanam. So yakara goes away. Therefore you get Rama Icchati. Further sandhi you cannot do. Because if you try to do, yakara will pop up. And there you cannot join. If you want to join, this is the form. Otherwise leave it. Clear? So Rama Icchati. Now, how are you going to split this? Rama Icchati is there. How are you going to split? And this already I have done, so you know. But when you read text, depending on the context, suppose there is a passage in the somewhere, the text is there. Rama Icchati is there. Could be Sambodhana also possible. Hey Rama. Depends on the context. Saha Icchati. Oh Rama. He wants. That's it. Or it could be Rama itself wants. If that is the meaning, then you have to split Ramaha Icchati. Right? Okay. Another example. This E, I gave this example to cover the ash, for ach, right? Followed by ach. But one more example we will see, because A is that possibility. Rama agachati. Rama comes back. So Zarda is preceded by A, followed by A. Which one you will apply? You have to come to this is not possible, this is not occur here. Right? So what will happen here? Sarga will be replaced by Yakara and Agachati. If you want to do just Melanam like this, Ramaya Gachati. Right? That is one possibility. Or Yakara Lopa becomes Rama Agachati. Don't do something Rama Agachati. Clear? Right? So this is done. Suppose if I give you another one. For each rule, remember one example. Then you will be able to see the connect and see. So anyway, I am writing the form here for your understanding. If you are noting, becomes Ramaya Gachati. This is one possibility, just Melanam. Or Yakarasya Lopaha Bhavati, and you get Rama Agachati. Right? Now, Ramaha, you say Agachat. What is the answer? Ramaha Agachat. Which one apply?
The first one.
First.
Becomes Ramo. Ramo Gachat. Right?
Quick question, Sharon.
Yes.
For
Question can be slow also.
when it says Ramaya Gachati, how do I know that it's not like fourth case of Rama and Gachati, like just
For fourth case, it must be Ramaya.
yeah. Oh, yeah.
Right? And resolve the question.
Yes.
Ramaya, not Rama. Ramaya Gachati. Okay. So, sixth one also we have seen. Then, did you see the next one? No. What is the next one?
Preceded by a and as.
Oh, that's all. Okay. There also same thing happened.
Yes.
Preceded by a or a, followed by ash. This is the I told Bo Bhagava Purvastya Yoshi, that sutra. 8370. 8th chapter, 3rd section, 17th sutra. Not required, just saying.
Even you say it wrong, we
Yeah. What can you do? You are innocent children now. You can't help it. You have to accept whatever is.
you are always right.
Oh, that's why you say your teacher is always right. You are always right. Okay. So Visarga preceded by a or a, followed by ash. Here, if it is a and a is a, that is covered already here. Right? If a followed by ach is a, already covered here. Right? So, 7 has both 6 and 4. Right? Therefore, you have to exclude that. If that possibility is there, when that combination comes, go to 4 or 6. Understand what I am saying? Listen again. Visarga preceded by a and followed by a. That possibility is here. If it is there, go to 4. Visarga preceded by a, followed by ach. Number 6. Right? Visarga preceded by a, followed by hash also is there. Either you go there or be here. Because the adesha is yakara only. There is no separate. Anyway, yes, you have to come here, right? If Visarga preceded by a, followed by hash, this will apply. Sorry, who will be the replacement? Visarga preceded by a, followed by hash. This number 5. So 5, 6, 7. Except this, whatever possibility is there, that is covered by number 7.
4, 5, 6, no?
Yeah, 4, 5, 6.
So you said 5, 6, 7.
5, 4, 6 I said. It's okay. 4, 5, 6, 5, 4.
Okay.
Right? So now, Visarga preceded by either a or a, followed by hash. So everything will be covered. What happens now? That becomes yakara. Like example. Suppose here, the same example I am taking. Ramaha ichanti. What will happen now? Let us start from number 4. Okay. Ramaha ichanti. Chatraha ichanti. Visarga preceded by a, followed by a, that is number 4. Not there. Visarga preceded by a, followed by hash. Not there. Number 5. Visarga preceded by a, followed by h. That is also not there because 4, 5, 6 talks about the preceding letter is short a. Ruled out. Therefore, you have to come to the number 7 because there a is there. So, Visarga preceded by a, followed by the ash letter e. What happens? That becomes Ramai. Becomes Ramai ichanti. This also you can do Melanam and say Rama ichanti or Rama ichanti. You can do the Melanam and write like this. Rama ichanti or Ekara is dropped, becomes Rama ichanti. And you see, don't think a typo is the Visarga is missing. Sandhi.
And if you write O and A in 7, O and A, then it includes 6 also.
Sorry?
O and A preceded. Visarga preceded by O and A. 7 only I.
Say again.
This is O or A. It's O preceded, Visarga preceded by O and A, followed by O. If we write this, then the number 6 is also included in 7.
But 6 is also included in the
7.
It's okay.
So why should we? We can omit O also. Because O is 5 and 6 speaks about O. House and Ach both covered in 5 and 6.
I wrote this because the sutra is like that. That's why I wrote.
No, this covered.
The sutra is covered. Yes. If you say A is A followed by
No,
Ash,
there
then
is
it is
Ach.
covered.
There is Ach, here it is Ach, no?
1 minute. We'll see. I'll give another example.
Oh, I and Ach both are covered.
You answer this. It is easy to ask questions, but I need to think, okay?
And it's our duty to ask.
Yeah. And I have my duty to answer, but I need some space. So in between that 10 seconds, 5 seconds, I'll think, oh, got the answer, come on, now the answer. I have to open my file and see which folder is there now. I'm just coming from lunch, okay? I didn't go to my room also. Okay, Ramaha Agachati. Tell me which one will apply. Number 1, 4,
No, 6.
5.
6.
Okay. Make it Ramaha.
Rama.
Down. Is this covered by 6?
No. Because
7.
A is there.
Huh?
It is A, Rama.
Ramaha is there.
That is why I told you. O, we can just put it O also. Because O is covered in 5 and 6.
Preceded by
4, 5 and 6.
yeah,
4, 5 and 6.
it covers. Probably I would have written because of this, the rule. The last class I wrote like this.
No.
Hmm.
I only.
How only? Okay. Fine. I remember the rule. That's why I wrote A. In fact, both the rule is covered by the same. Both are covered by the same rule because Adesha is same. Bo Bago Ago Apurvase Yoshi. That I split into 2. With one possibility A, other possibility Aha. A is there. So this Ramaha Agachanti, page number 7 becomes Rama Agachanti. Already we saw this. Just now we saw, I think, the same. Okay. Now, does it cover everything? It must cover everything. It must cover because all the tick marks are there, right? So, if this you know, many things we can split. Whatever going to come now, that is further. Visarga becoming undergoes changes. Visarga, what will happen? Becomes Sakara, it will become U, it will become Yakara. When it becomes Sakara, further changes happen. Is this clear? Now, the next one after this. Suppose instead of Ramaha, let us say Saha. Agachati. What is the end? Saha Agachati.
So good.
Yes. So? Yes, why not? So, yes?
Ah,
Yeah, tell me then what's possible. Sorry? Sa, good. Becomes Sa Agachati, yes. Sa Agachati. Sayagas. You will not find Sayagachati. Mainly they will give like this. Sa Agachati. Which rule? 4, 5, 6, 7? 6 is applied. Right? Now, another one. gacchati. Fine. Tell me, answer. Huh?
Fifth one. So gacchati.
Becomes so gacchati.
So gacchati. Fifth.
So gacchati. There is another rule, number 8. It says when saha or yeshaha, that is visarga preceded by a is there in both, right? When this is followed by a consonant, the visarga disappears. This is rule number 8.
Correct.
Visarga disappears, doesn't become anything. There is some sutra is there. Etat tadoho sulopaha akonch anam samase hali. Okay, it's a big one. See, when we study sutra, we will not understand the whole sutra, not possible. Because sutra covers all the possibilities. Certain things we will not, sammasana we will not cover the beginning at all. Many things we will not be knowing in the beginning. Whatever required from the sutra, only that we will see. When our knowledge increases, we will further go back and see the sutra, study. So that's how it is. And sutra study is like, the Vyakarana study is like a noodles. If you take one, a bunch will come. And if you follow the bunch, then there is a long thread between your mouth and the noodles. So you have to cut somewhere and just swallow that first. Then take the next next meal. That's how it is. So we will stop there. So now rule number 6. Particularly these two pronouns, saha and yeshaha, followed by a hal. Hal is what? All consonants. When it is followed by the verbal, nothing happens. Visa. Soham. How do you get soham? Not Tamil soham. Saha.
Plus aham.
Aham.
That you know because of that.
Sohamasmi, Vahamasmi, Saha becomes so, ham. This is how you write, right? That is this by the rule 4. Soham. Oh, time is up. We will stop with this. Whereas here, when Saha or Yeshaha followed by Hal, this Sarga is dropped. You get? Sa? Gacchati. So when you remember this, you have to remember this also. Because here also, Visarga is preceded by A. That is only for the words Saha and Yeshaha. You can. You join, but it is understood. Not Sagacchati. Sa Agacchati. In Gita, many places you will have seen. What is that? Sa. The sa comes in many places. Anyway, you will see Saha comes in many places. Sa buddhiman manushyeshu. Saha buddhiman manushyeshu. 4.18 Karmanya karmayah pashyet akarmaniche karmayah sa buddhiman manushyeshu sa yukta krishna karmakrit. Sa buddhiman is what happened to the visarga? Saha buddhiman. Saha visarga followed by buddhiman bakara drop. Sa buddhiman. This is by the truth. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavad. I will see your homework next class, ma. Take this with you. Yeah, whose book is this?
Challenge, is there class tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Wednesday.
Tomorrow is Wednesday.
Oh.
Yes. Dhanyavad.